So what if I told you that all chords come from some type of scale? What I'm going to show you is the harmonic minor scale and how to apply it in gospel music. But before I do that, head on over to gospelprogressionsuniversity.com/Gospel Keys Pro and go download my free guide. It's called What Do Pro Musicians Know That You Don't? So what we have now is the harmonic minor scale. Your harmonic minor scale is basically just like the regular old natural minor scale, except that instead of playing that B flat to C, we play the B to C. So C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B, and C. All right, and then I'm going to show you a simple melody that goes with that harmonic minor scale. I'm going to keep it diatonic. And again, I've spoken about this before, I think, but diatonic is the notes that belong to the key proper or the scale proper, meaning that we're not using anything extra. Everything I've just shown you, the C, the D, the E flat, the F, the G, the A flat, the B, and the C are going to be used in that. Well, maybe not every note, but actually, yeah, every note is going to be used. But we're not going to leave that or go outside of that, okay? So the melody is going to be the same thing in the left hand. So I'll just play them both at the same time. So it's B, C, D, E flat, F, and G. Okay, so again, it's B, C, D, E flat, F, and G. So what we'll do here is just use the corresponding chords. Very simple. So if you started on the B, all right, the first chord is not going to be a C because it's going to sound dissonant. What we're looking for is the one that harmonizes with that. So going up in thirds, we can use a B, or we can use a B diminished seventh. So I like to start out in B here, or using the G over the B, and I'll use this little trick here. I'll do this. All right. Or you can voice that differently, or a little more simple. I mean, it's the same thing, but. And that's basically it. That's all you're doing is just repeating the same thing on your left hand on the top as your melody and just doing the chords in between. I normally use it as a 6th chord. All right, so of course, because a 6 is going to be minor normally for E flat. So I'll do something like this. And then, all right, and that's how it would resolve there. But there's many other applications, or wherever you would go for, you can go in B flat. That could be a 2, to go from B flat to C, or somehow you want to get to C minor. The point is here, the harmonic minor gives you options of using diminished, all right, and then a minor 7th, diminished 7th. That's just the pattern. Minor 7th, diminished 7th, minor 7th, all right, diminished 7th. You can just keep going. Diminished 7th here, and then diminished 7th again, minor 7th. If that has helped you, go check out my free guide at gospelprogressionsuniversity.com/Gospel Keys Pro. It's called What Do Pro Musicians Know That You Don't? God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next video.